telling you now, I had it from the pastor. I was in the church to do this same presentation I'm about to do. And after the presentation, the pastor said, anything the bank go into, there is something more underneath. What I want to introduce to you is VTU business, virtual turn up. It is the bank that knows the combination of 5 kobo. Please, 5 kobo in 1 million places. Quick mathematician. What does it give you? 500,000. That tells you why banks will not play with every kobo. A kobo is very important to the bank as the life of a human. Am I right? Yes. They don't play with any kobo. And that's the mindset a good businessman should have. Every kobo that comes to you comes together to make a big amount of money. But the lazy ones want the big money and not the small money. They are the ones that will tell you it will take you to differentiate between MMM and MLM. If you come to me and you tell me, bring your money, come and do this business, you will call it a business. To you it's a business, right? Ponzi scheme is a business. Yes, go to your dictionary, go to Google. You find it as a business. What kind of business? A business that doesn't have a product to sell. Before you go into any business, the first question you ask yourself is, when I drop my money, what will the money be used for? There must be something the money does before it brings a dividend or brings a result. So when you drop your money and nothing is done with the money, only for the money to multiply itself, there is something hidden. Banks started their BTU business or started building the BTU business even before the BTU business itself started with them. Remember the era of opening zero accounts? When you start by here, you just encourage to come and open zero accounts with them. They were using that time, the banks were using that opportunity to build their network of users. They were building their customer base. You know, BTU business, the telecommunication business, and the business of people. Everybody uses their time around you. Today, before at the end of today, millions, billions of people use their time. NCC brought out the report, 2016. NCC states that more than 3 million Nigerians recharge their phone per hour. Nigeria alone. That was 2016. With your own knowledge, how many people we have now in 2019? It's increased. It must have been almost times 2. Now, another point is this. NCC says we have more than 250 million connected lines in Nigeria alone. Connected lines. Not lines that are available but not connected. The ones that are working. 250 million, which means the number of connected lines are more than what the number of people in the country. That's what it means. Daddy, how many lines do you have?
4, 6.
Daddy has 6 lines connected and active. The 6 you collect airtime, probably data. Mommy, how many lines do you use? You have just one. Yeah, good Nigeria. Wow, I'm surprised. Over a year that we're talking about recharge and get free. Now, this is the first time I'm hearing in Nigeria say having one line. That line must be empty. Old. God bless you, man. Thank you. When you have a single person using 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines, and all of them are active inside different modes, all of them eat airtime, and you recharge and you use this often, the banks are making serious millions from those lines. Somebody asked me that, how does little money, 1 naira, how is it 1 naira, we now sit down? I said, mommy, no problem. She's a professor. I was at the presentation in the University of Ibadan. The woman said, how would I be waiting for 1 naira? That was I said, mommy, no problem. When did you start using your first line? He said, she can't remember, but let's say 20 years ago. Okay, fine, 20 years ago. Let's assume one day you make 1 naira on your line, just 1 naira on the line. That 1 naira times 30 days. It gives you how much, sir? 30 naira. 30 naira. That 30 naira is 1 month. I mean, times 12. How much does it give you, sir? 300 naira times 12.
3,700.
It's still very small. Times 20. She said 20 years now. I think that's the way I can break the calculator. Times 20. You see, it's no more small money. That is the value of that little cover that comes in. So I now told mommy that, assuming you have been making 1 naira, just 1 naira on this your life, since the day you start using it to date, you wouldn't have done much. But compare what you have lost. Now, banks make a lot of money in telecommunication business. Let me give you a slight analysis of how they make the money so that you understand what you want. I want you to go into. When you recharge from the bank, banks make 5% on whatever you recharge with. 5%. So let's assume recharge 100 naira. Banks make how much? 5 naira. I mean, on one side, one. Now, when you recharge from your bank account, you will get 2 SMS alert. One, successful recharge of that transaction, successful recharge. I mean, the second one, debit alert from your account. Those two, they will charge you for the two at the end of the month. It's not immediately. They will calculate everything. So if you recharge 3 times in a day, how many people recharge 5 times in a day? Up to 5 times. Maybe 1,000 in 5 days or 500 in 5 days in a day. They will charge you those 2 SMS. Let's say 4 naira per SMS. 4 naira per SMS in 10 places in a day. On only you. Now times 30 days. You see why you are losing money with time. But because the banks have sold comfort to you. How many people sell recharge cards on the street like those days? They are still there like those days. You don't have them again. What happened to them? They are still alive, they are not there. Banks took away the customer from them. A typical human being will prefer to be in the sitting room. As we are here now, you can recharge from your bank account without stepping into the rain. I mean, somebody that doesn't have that opportunity will have to work. If you have an urgent call that has to do with somebody sending money and you have to bring that call. My sister, you enter inside that rain and go and look for a recharge card all over the street. That was the life then. But bank gave you comfort, made that easy for you. And the money you are paying for that is the charges, the commissions you are paying to the bank. And you buy that. Now, recharge and get paid give you the same comfort. But instead of paying extra to the bank, you will earn on your own personal recharging. That's the major difference. So that's what I want to analyze you. Now the question is, how does that happen? So yeah, wait. Recharge and get paid. We say the oil block of the 21st century. Before I leave this slide, I want to say something. If you want to talk of the big boy in the year 2015, 2016, who are the big boys then? Where was money in Nigeria? 2015, 2016, or before 2015? God bless you, sir. Oil and gas. You want to say somebody is a big boy in Nigeria? The person was working in oil and gas. But when we move to 2015 to 2016, money change location. That's the language. Everybody say money change location. Money change its location. It change location from oil and gas to telecommunication. Now everybody knows the value in telecommunication. That's why all the banks develop their USSD codes to make you recharge. Now when you go to use your ATM, after withdrawing from it, how many people you use your ATM recently? Probably today or yesterday. I want a very recent one. Today or yesterday, would you use your ATM today or yesterday? When you finish the recharge, what does the message that comes out? When you start seeing your ATM card, you finish your transaction, you enter your code, you did the withdrawal, you collected your money. Before your ATM, before it starts to do want another transaction, then press yes or no. A message will pop out before you will create it.
Your account has been credited.
You want to recharge? You know that thing. That's the question. Please, next time you go and test what I just said. Yes. That's the question they will ask you. What's your business? Am I not the owner of my ATM card? I have my brain, I know what I want to do. It was not like that before. Now I want you to be sensitive to another thing. You know we have a lot of no job here and there. NNPC just brought out a recruitment exercise recently. Within 2 days, how many Nigerians applied? Please, my own report says over 25 million people applied within 2 days. 25 million Nigerians within 2 days. Just 2 days ago. Everybody wants to go to oil and the job is not there. Can NNPC employ all of them?
No.
What happened to those working in NNPC before? What happened to the other parastatals that are not oil and gas? We have medicine, we have banking, we have other work. What happened to those people? But you know what is happening? A lot of no job is going to increase more. I'm not cursing. I'm telling you the reality. Do you know why? Before we had 9 jobs. I mean, okay, let me use bank. Yeah, conversation with bank recently. We have 9 posts and all that. But let me say bank now. When you enter your bank, how many cashiers do you see on the table? Now. Like two, I mean? Two. You might see three. One will be redundant. Just walking up and down. You'll be taking water. Going up and down. Directing you to kill. A cashier that should be giving money. Only two. Maybe one step at times. Two will be active. Am I right? Out of the two that are active, one may be only just POS. One may be operating just POS for you. Is one that, so if one is operating POS, then we have only one that is active. What happens to the other one? In those days, when you enter and you have 10, 20 people answering you at the same time. What happens to the main one? ATM machine took away jobs from so many technology. Phone took away. You know you can do a lot of things in your account without leaving your sitting room. You can pay your bills, pay your school fees, pay your house rent, pay your electricity bills. Do a lot of things. Even book your flight without leaving your sitting room. That's technology for you. Before you have to get to the bank, you have to see a human being on the desk before you can do all those things. Job has been taken away from those things. And you think technology is going down? It's going higher, it's increasing. So that will be, there will still be more loss of jobs. That's what I'm saying. Now, the people who buy into the opportunity of where the world is going and get there before the world gets there, they are the ones that will make it fast. We all know now that technology is taking over everything. By the time you go to there, get to that level where the world is going before the world gets there, what do you think will happen when the world meets you there? You'll be the one living life. Let's go to the business. So we have talked about oil and gas. Now, what is recharge and get paid? Recharge, when you see RAGP, some people call it RAGP. I call it RAGP. RAGP simply means recharge and get paid. And just like the name sounds, that's the way the business is. Now, recharge and get paid is a Nigerian-owned telecommunication company headquartered in Abuja. It's owned by Nigeria. Headquartered in Abuja and duly registered with Corporate Affairs Commission. With this registration number, you can verify yourself. Then with CAC, NCC, Nigerian Communication Commission, to carry out telecommunication related businesses. Now, it's a platform that helps create wealth. I present this as an empowerment because at registration, you will be able to do just three things. One, you will do your personal recharges and you earn commission on all your personal recharges. All commissions are immediate. I will do practical samples, I will show you. All commissions are immediate. You earn commission on your instant recharges. Two, you can sell. That's it. If you are the one selling recharge cards before, you can still sell now in a different way. Instead of scratch card, you sell BTU. Just like mommy asked me earlier, that can somebody who does not have an Android or a smartphone, can the person do recharge and get paid? My answer is yes and no. Why yes? Yes, because you will not be able to do it with the smartphone you have, except the smartphone. But if you have a laptop, iPad, tab, you can do it. Any device that can browse the website can take you to your platform. Your smartphone is the mobile office that goes with you anywhere. That means your business goes with you anywhere. There are some places you can get, you can't bring down your laptop. If you are in a bus now, it's difficult for you. You are moving from here to Umokoro. I think the first one I saw was Umokoro. Help me with the pronunciation. They were laughing me yesterday when I was calling. The first stop you gave me yesterday. Now, you want to go from this place to that place. Can you now carry your laptop on inside the bus and open from here to that place? No, but your phone can keep working. All my journey from Lagos down to Port Harcourt yesterday, I made sure my phone was 100% charged. I don't stay offline. Somebody challenged me at the presentation and said, sir, I've known you very well. I said, where do you know me for? He said, anytime they throw question online, it's like you don't sleep. But when my business is online, I have to be online. My office goes with me everywhere. We did election recently. The first election was cancelled. I mean, or postponed. Let me use the word postponed, not cancelled. I mean, it was postponed. The first presidential election was postponed. The day the first presidential election was to take place, all shops, offices, banks, workplaces, what happened to them? Locked down. No business for that day. For all of us to recharge and get it, you know we're smiling.
Absolutely.
Because you want to post on Facebook that, there was no election on my street, you are using data. You want to call your own quick, what's happening over there now? you use what? Airtime. And while you are doing that, we are making cool cash. As I'm standing here talking to you, I'm not holding my phone. Am I right? I will log into my website very soon. And you will see that while I'm standing here talking, people are recharging somewhere all over. This Port Harcourt, Abuja, all over. And I'm making money. As I'm standing here talking to you now, money is entering that wallet. Before you go into any business, the first thing you ask yourself is how genuine is the business, how valid and how reliable. These are one of the things that shows you a business reliable. Is it accredited government approved? Before you can practice anything telecommunications in Nigeria, you must pass through the Nigerian Communications Commission, NCC. They can give you the license and take the license, even from MTN and all the network providers. Our premium products I've mentioned them during my explanation: airtime, data, TV subscription, and electricity bill. Those are the products we have on the platform for now. Now, when I talk of airtime and data, I'm talking of the 4 giant network: MTN, 9mobile, Glo, and Airtel. You can recharge the 4. I will show you on the platform. Then we have the DSTV cable TV subscription, DSTV, GoTV, and StarTimes. Then the electricity bill. That electricity bill portal is still under upgrade. It was added last year, August last year. So it's still under upgrade. But presently now, I think we have Port Harcourt on the platform. On the electricity bill. It's only Port Harcourt that is there for now. Other ones were there before, so they are removing and adjusting and doing upgrades on it. So those are the products we have. Banks bend BTU, so why can't you? If banks are big, I think bank is one of the biggest commercial business you can think about. I mean, so if banks can go into BTU, then every single human being that is opportunity to go into capture that business. Now, advantage of owning your BTU platform. This is where they explain what to earn from your personal recharges when you join the platform. Recharge for your personal use, earn on your recharge, and save cost of bank charges. I've explained all this one. So when you recharge your airtime personally from your BTU website, you will earn 2%. Now, I said earlier that banks make 5%. I mean, recharge and get paid company also make 5%. But what makes the difference between them and the bank is this: they will divide the money into 2. They will give you 2% for doing the recharge. The remaining 3%, they will give it to 10 people ahead of you. For introducing somebody to the opportunity, you know, I told you it's an empowerment program. The program is for everybody to be able to do their recharges by themselves from their own platform without going to buy from anybody. That's where Nigeria is. We have some countries that they don't buy airtime outside. They use applications where everybody can recharge from themselves. Even the closest one to us, Ghana. And some other ones. Now that's where Nigeria is. That's the pace of technology where Nigeria is going. You know, I said if you get there before the world gets there, it's better for you. Now a time is coming that everybody in Nigeria will be able to do their recharges by themselves. But now when you register, you are expected to gather community of users around yourself. Just like the banks have gathered their what? Customers. That's the difference between you and the bank. This business places you on the same level with the bank as far as BTU business is concerned. I'm not talking of saving money. BTU business is concerned, you're on the same level with the bank. The difference is that you need to start gathering your own customers. Banks have done that over the years and they have millions. Now, the company identifies you as an independent partner with them once you are registered. Which means you can build the business anyhow you want it. You can say this old school, this old building we are in is your recharge and get paid office. You are operating under the company's license. Nobody will come and challenge you to pay tax for this one or that one. The company pays everything and you operate under that umbrella. The business is yours. You are not an agent there. Now, when you do your recharge, because somebody introduced you, the company will continue paying that person for introducing the opportunity to you, for empowering you. The company will pay that person on all recharges for life. The person that introduced that person, the same thing. The person that introduced the person that you understand, that's why it goes to 10 levels far away from you. That is where the 35 for boy is created. I'm coming to that calculation. So on your own recharge, you earn 2%. On data, you earn 10%. Now it depends on what amount of data you purchase. There are some companies and some organizations who use data very well. Their major work is about data. If you have such of them, then you make a huge amount of money. Now, on data you earn 10%. On cable TV subscription, whatever the package you do, you earn 40 naira. On the electricity bill, you earn 40 naira. Now, there's an additional money making pattern inside this cable TV and the electricity bill. I will tell you the secret. I just want to add it to that to business. It's not part of the business commission, but we have so many other businesses inside the church and get paid. Like I was telling one when I came yesterday. So I will tell you some. But one major one is when you go to buy your TV subscription, or when you go to subscribe to your TV from agents outside, they add 100 naira. Am I right? Agent fee. Yeah. You are expected to add the same 100 naira. But the advantage you have over them is that it is your personal business. You can add anything you want, even above 100 naira. Nobody questions it. You understand now? I have some people in Ikorodu, depends on the area where you stay. Some people in Ikorodu charge 250 naira for everything you commission and electricity bill they pay. So when they charge 250 naira and they earn 40 naira, how much are they earning in total? Ma? 290. Just for subscribing for one person. Now, assuming you live in an estate whereby everybody there do their recharges from you, please, I think you are in big money already. Forget airtime, forget data. You understand? So, like he said when he was talking, the first speaker when he was talking, you have to run smart. It's one thing to see an opportunity and fish into it. Another thing is to be smart with that opportunity. You know, the same opportunity that fell into some people's hand and they are running fine, you can turn the opportunity to be something awesome. Because of the smartness and the brain you put inside it. I haven't said what to gain from your personal recharging. Every business starts with capital, isn't it? Now we have registration packages and they come with different opportunities. The highest registration package is 100,000. I think this is good enough. 100,000. Now, when you see any business that you have broken packages to register with, not multi-level marketing where you qualify for stage. I'm not talking of stages though. We are not this one. We try and get paid. You don't qualify for that. You don't climb ladder. You don't qualify for stages. All you need to do is anytime you feel like you decide to climb the ladder, that's it, you upgrade from whatever package you have to the next package you want. So it is broken down into 7 stages that you can start with a simple 5,000 naira. It's a business you can start with minimum of 5,000 naira. Now what's the difference between the registration? When you start with 5,000 naira, this is where the difference is. This is you. 5,000 registration. Now, the charge on JP does not give you a limit of how many people to register. You know, it's a business that gathers you like a bank. You can register 10 million under yourself directly. No problem. It is not 2 matrix, it's not 3 people matrix or whatever. So, you have as many as you want. Now, these people will also be doing the same thing you are doing. They want more money, so they also introduce it to people, isn't it? Now, these people now, this man registered, let's say 2. This is first family to you. This is second level deal. So that level deal, before I want to explain them. Now, these people now do the same thing. This person is third, you know, this is you. So this is first person to you, second family, third level deal. This one introduced this, then it gets to fourth level deal. This fourth person introduces fifth person. To you, this is the fifth person. To this man, what level is this person? 4. I think you understand now. To this man, what level is this person? 5 level. You understand that 5 level? Now, all these people can now have 10 million, 20,000, any amount they can under themselves. You understand? As many as they have, your commission is still coming. I will explain the blocking of the commission to you. Now, the 5,000 does not go beyond, your earning will not go beyond 5 level deal. That's what I want to understand. Now, when you upgrade to 10,000, and after you upgrade to 10,000, you just add 5,000 naira. So it's as if you register with 10,000 naira. You understand? It's not as if you are paying 10,000 as well. It's just as so you just upgrade with the difference of where you are and where you are going. So when you upgrade to that, if this 5th person register is 6th person, you are good to go. Because 10,000 naira takes you to 6th level. But what happens when you register, when you are on 5,000 and the 5th level away from you register is 6th person? That's one of the questions you ask later, but let me answer it now. What happened is that because you have 5,000 and it stops at 6th level deal, you won't earn anything on this 6%. You lose everything. Commission on registration, recharges, even the person when he registers the whole world, the whole president and everything, you will lose everything that connects to that person. Because your earning stops at 5th level deal, and this person is 6th level and you have not upgraded to an higher package. But before this registration, if you upgrade to 10,000, it takes you to 6th level. Then, if this person, this is 7th level, I mean, so 7th level is 20,000. We take you to 7th level. 30K, 30,000 takes you to 8th level. 40,000 takes you to 9th level. 50,000 and 100,000 take you to 10th level. That's the maximum. And when you get to 10th level, you will be amazed at how many people you get. The table I will show you here will do mathematics very soon, and you will be amazed at what you are not even millionaire, you are past millionaire at that level. Just like this, like Emma, I will explain it to you, but you understand that depth now. That's one of the difference in registration packages. So some people ask that, what is my own personal advice on the amount to register with? And the answer I give them is the best package to register with is 100,000. But if you cannot afford 100,000, the next best after that is 50,000. There's a slight difference between the 100,000 and the 50,000. You know, I said both of them is to send everything, which is maximum. The difference is in the incentive and the PV. Now, there is point value attached to any registration. The point value are just like this. On point value. On 10,000 you have 40 point value. On 20,000 80, 30,000 120, 40,000 160, 50,200 point value, and 100,400 point value. Now, some people ask that what's the importance of the point value? The importance of the point value is that it is like a fixed savings in an account. It accumulates over time. It doesn't have target. It does not break. It's not a monthly business. It continues to accumulate. And it accumulates on registrations and upgrades alone, not buying your product. Your product, the immediate commission on your product that you're earning for buying the product. But anytime you introduce somebody to the business, whatever amount the person registers with, the PV attached to that amount adds up to whatever you have on ground. So which means, let me come to the board again. Which means, if this is you and you register with 5,000, how many PV will you have? 20 PV. You introduce these 3 people. I mean, this person register with 10,000. Follow me. This person register with 20,000. This person register with 50,000. How many PV will be added to your 20 here? 50,000 is 200 PV. I mean, 20,000 is how many PV? 80 PV. 10,000 is how many PV? Please, how many PV is that? 320 plus 20. If you add up to this, then you have what? 340 PV. Now, if this 50,000 upgrades to 100,000, the PV again is what? 200 PV. If you add to it again, it becomes 540. So on every registration and upgrade, then as they are introducing people, all their PV or whatever they register with will be adding up. That's how the PV accumulates. And it doesn't have time frame. It doesn't have target. You can do it in a month, you can continue in a year as your effort can carry. It's the business to decide how you want to do it. Now, when the PV accumulates like that, it is used for the incentive. I'm coming to the incentives on the left, I don't want to jump. Now, this amount there, do we understand what it stands for? Each time you register, your first commission is earned immediately as you register. And what is your first commission? You know the money you pay to register with the company, to have your VTO, to let me say, to buy your VTU website, to buy your personalized VTU website. But the company will now return 20% of whatever amount you register with. You will meet it in that your platform, in that your VTU website. 20% of whatever you yourself registered with. So if you register with 5,000, how much will you meet in your BTU website? 1,000. 10,000, you meet how much there? That means you get back your 20, you get 20,000 back from your 100,000. That's the amount you are looking at here. So this is the 20% calculation of each of these registration packages. Now somebody asked me a question that if I register with 5,000 and I get somebody under me that register with 100,000, how much will I get? You have that question in your mind. The company says when you directly refer, please come and go to the next slide. When you directly refer somebody under you, whatever the person registers with, you earn 20% of that amount immediately. So if the person registers with 100,000, how much are you going to get on that registration? 20,000 instantly. It's not end of the month, so we don't pay weekly or monthly or anything. You will, I will activate the account now. If anybody wants to register here today, I will use that as a practice. I will do your registration immediately. And you will see the way the commission comes in. You will see the 20,000 naira gang immediately, instantly, the same second. It's not monthly or anything, all the commissions are immediately. Sign up commission means when you register, you earn 20% back. That's what we mean by sign up, your registration. Direct referral commission, the people you introduce directly. You know when my brother was talking earlier, he said something. He said the network marketing business, what they do is they pay you for bringing somebody in. I mean, we call it advert commission. Instead of the company going to television stations, radio stations, newspaper to pay money for advert, they allow their partners to do the advert. What I'm doing for you now, while I'm there, what am I doing? I'm advertising. So all this my sweating and standing and jumping up and down, jumping for money. You understand now? So they pay advert commission. So that advert commission is there. For directly referring somebody, you earn 20%. Now it doesn't stop there. Because you have referred that person, and the person has the opportunity of referring other people, you will see the earning commission. Indirect referral commission is between 10% and 1%. Let me explain the 10% and 1% here. Person registers with 5,000 naira. This is 10 level to you. I mean, this person registers with 5,000 naira. The first person that introduced the person directly, which is this number 9, how much will the company? The company pays this person how much? 20%. I mean, partner recharge, partner transaction. So the person will collect what? 1,000 naira. The person that introduced the person, direct referral, how much? 20% to 1,000 naira. The person who introduced him will now collect 10%. That's the beginning of the breakdown. 10% of 1,000 is how much? 500 naira. The person who introduced that person, the company will pay the person 200, that's 5%, 250 naira. This person, the company pays 2.5%, which is what? 125 naira. This person, which is the, what level now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th level, the company pays 62.5 naira. And from 6th level, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6th level to 10th level, the company will pay them 1%, which is 59, 4 places. If you calculate this, that's how they split the registration money. The remaining one is what they use to set up your BTU website, and they pay for the maintenance of that website. You know, to 10 level fee, that's how they pay the money. So that means once you click in, once you bring one person, your earning continues per second and on daily basis. That you accumulate 10,000 PV. You now explain the point value. I mean, registration and upgrade gives you point value. Any particular amount is up to 10,000 PV. The company pays you 100,000 for that month. If the following month you accumulate another 10,000 PV for that month, the company pays you another 100,000, which means you can be collecting 100,000 naira every month on one side. We call it leadership bonus. That one is just a monthly bonus for saying well done for a good work. Now this incentive, go to the next slide, let me explain. This is an explanation of everything I've done on the board there. No, go back, let me just make an emphasis there. You earn 20% of the personal sign-up, that's the personal registration. So your registration fee, assuming you register with 50,000, how much you get back? 20%, 10,000. Go to the next slide now. Now, you direct referral commission. When you introduce somebody, let's say you introduce Kate. Kate is your friend, and Kate register with the same 50,000 you register with. How much you get from Kate? 20% direct referral. That's 10,000 without going anywhere. So if you have 10 of Kate in a particular day with 50,000, how much you make? That's 10,000 times 10 now, 100,000 without leaving your sitting room. Just because you have told them before, now they show interest. Go to the next slide. Now, this is the analysis of the remaining one I drew on the board there. Now, Kate, you refer Kate, I mean, you got 10%. Second level, Kate referred person, you get 10%. That's the second level now. I drew on the board now. Now, Boston now referred Ayo, you get 5%. Ayo referred Musa 2.5%. Musa referred Ada 1.25%. Now from 6th level down, you earn 1%. That's just go to next. Okay. The first incentive. I told you that PVs are used for incentives. Anytime it could be a month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, as you can as you are able to. Anytime your PV accumulates up to 25,000 PV. The company pays you 500,000 a way of saying well done. It doesn't have to do with all those 5 by 5, 10 by 10 matches you tell you. This is another money aside for saying well done. Go to the next slide. The next slide is 2 million naira, and what you require is for 60,000 point value. 60,000 point value. Go to the next one. The next one is 100,000 cumulative point value, which the company gives you 3 million naira. Now, this is where the earning for 50,000 naira stops. You know, I told you the difference between 50,000 and 100,000 is light. It is only somebody that has upgraded to 100,000 that can earn this too. That's the only difference between 100,000 and 50,000. So if you have 50,000 naira, you can just be and close your eyes. When you collect 500,000, you collect 2 million naira. You can't collect 3 million naira. You know people get 50,000, they compare 200,000. That means the family wizards and witches, they are very strong. I think I'm right, I mean. Yes. You collected 500,000 with supper. No problem. Enemy no talk. You collect 2 million naira. You swallow am. You don't remember say you upgrade to 100,000. Now you now collect 3 million naira. If you don't remember to bring this, you remove 50,000 from this, how much do you have left? I think you won't know you remove anything. I mean, am I right now? Talk now. Yes. So if you cannot remove 50,000 to upgrade, so it's not something that you have to do in a day. Gradually, once you register with 5,000, you don't have to use your money to upgrade again. That's the secret. When you register with 5,000, you now register 5 people who register with just 5,000. How much do you earn on their registration? That's 5,000. Have you not got your money back? You can use it to upgrade to 10,000. It's as simple as you don't use your money anymore. As I'm talking to you, I don't use my money to buy airtime. I don't use my money to buy data. I don't use my money to do TV subscription. It's very simple. From anything I've explained, it's self-explanatory. The commissions are coming. As I'm talking to you here, I told you commissions are coming in. I mean, the commissions that come in is enough to do all those things. Let's quickly go to the practical. Now, lastly, on your partnership recharges, you know, talk on your partner recharges. When your partners, the people under you, anytime they recharge, no matter how many they have, on their airtime recharge, you earn 35 kobo. That's 0.35%. Now, if you have 10 million, like we said earlier, 35 kobo times 10 million. Who is the let me use the calculator quickly and give me the figure where I'm trying to anyone. Their data is 1%. Their own, you don't know where they are doing it, but you'll be earning this. These are the commission that I say will be coming as I'm talking here. Now, it now depends on their amount. On cable TV, you earn 10, electricity, you earn 10, in the end, so that's like. Okay, residual income. Let's bring this together. Don't go back. Let's bring this together. My one first. The man said, if you don't learn how to get paid, why is it paid? What will happen?
You will work until you die.
How many of us agree with that? If you don't make money while you are sleeping, that means you send your money to go and work for you, and you sleep, you wake up, you see money, you sleep, you wake up. Sleep, we are talking about does not mean you sleep a real fact. But you can go on vacation, you are not working, you come back, money is there. If you don't have that kind of system, you work, you die. That means you have to continue working for you to be making money. And since you have a lot of residual income, why don't you have residual, since you have residual bills, why don't you have residual income? All the money that comes in can take care of